The past few days haven't been entirely the best for the Shiba Inu, and if you've been keeping up with this channel, you know all the woes that befell the project. Fortunately, things are starting to look up and she looks set to start a crazy bull run. This is the good news video you've been waiting for, so make sure you keep watching till the end. Disclaimer. So right? Analysts say that bears continue to dominate the sheep market, and this is despite the recent listing by CoinMama. The CBB, the regulated sheep, added zero several days ago and is still struggling to give it away, which is not very good for shareholders. However, the same analysts have also stated that the bulls are starting to take steps to turn things around. These bulls are whales, and for some reason they are starting to show interest in buying sheep again. It is believed that their move could be enough to drive up the price of sheep by an impressive 12%, putting it very close to zero loss. Of course, the whales might buy the sheep now because they see the opportunity offered by the lower price. They may have decided to buy now because sheep are more affordable than they have been in a while. However, it's also possible that they know something the rest of us don't. They could have done their research and come to the same conclusion as the analysts that the sheep are ready to be pumped again. Of course, this is just a prediction and should not be taken as reality. Also, it is important that you do your research before making any kind of financial decision. However, there are some signs that sheep could start a bullish rally soon. First, there is the Shibarium. I know by now you're probably tired of hearing about how Shibarium is going to shake things up for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, but it's still true. We can already see how well the puppy network beta worked. If Shibarium can achieve this level of success, there is no way the Shiba Inu will not benefit greatly from that success. Given that tokens will be burned and transactions will be made faster thanks to that platform. In addition, the cryptographer writes that after the launch of Shibarium, the ecosystem will include decentralized exchanges, a unique metaverse, and several blockchain games. The network will also report increased transaction speeds, lower fees, added tokenization, and better decentralized application development. Aside from Shibarium, though, the Shiba Inu has entered into some strategic partnerships that will definitely come in handy. Latest partnership with Alpha Mobile. The online financial service provider has integrated Shib, allowing its more than 150 million users to make sheep payments online from their mobile phones. This is the extent that can lead to higher prices for sheep. There's also the fact that sheep burns have been going crazy lately. For a while, it looked like the owners got tired of sending their tokens to the burning wallet and only a few thousand tokens were burned. However, in the past couple of days, a lot of burns have been happening, and at least that suggests that sheep owners are still very interested in seeing sheep reach 10 cents. One of the most recent burns was a crazy burn of 2 billion tokens that occurred in just one transaction. This represents a 20,000% increase in sheep burns, and analysts say this may be the main reason why the whales decided to go back to buying sheep. This may be because the somewhat renewed burning effort shows that the community is still very interested in sheep enough to send some of their tokens to the burning wallet. Think about it. The only reason one person would burn up to 3 billion sheep in order to hold on to them or even sell them is because they believe in the possibility of burns. They believe that with enough sheep burned, the sheep can realize the 10-cent stream. And if this is true, then it stands to reason that whales would start buying sheep again at the first sign of serious burns. As you write today, more often than not the burn rate has been associated with bullish price jumps, and consistency in the burn can be a game changer in predicting a token's short-term price prospects. With Shibarium recording huge transactions that tend to contribute to burn rate. The future of the entire protocol and its expected gains in price is bright. But tell us what you think in the comments section. Do you agree that we could have enough sheep burned to send sheep to the moon? Moving on from partnering those sheep with John Richmond, I got an update recently, but before we get into that, this channel is getting 100,000 sheep a day for a chance to participate in the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. I miss Shiba Inu. The famous Italian fashion designer posted a cryptic tweet on his Twitter page that sent the Shiba Inu community into a frenzy. Everything he wrote is woof, and people are trying to guess what that could do. I mean, because we know he doesn't advertise a partnership though, because Shiba Inu and John Richmond are already in a partnership. In fact, the two brands have already collaborated on a number of projects. In March, the two brands teamed up to offer a line of digital wearables for metaverse users, and before that, John Richmond launched a sporty, stylish line and invited the Shiba Inu community to attend the event. So, most likely, the latest meaty tweet indicates that Shiba Inu and John Richmond are about to launch another project. But I think time will definitely tell. Speaking of projects and metaverse consultant Marcy Jastro provided some updates on how the metaverse is evolving. She shared these updates during a Twitter Spaces session hosted by Lucy, and mentioned that 4 different hubs will be revealed no later than September of this year. The hubs are Wham, Rocket Pond, Ryoshi, and Tech Trench. Jastro also revealed at the urging of some people who attended the spaces that the metaverse will be available on a variety of platforms when it launches, including PC, mobile, and VR. Now, if you're wondering when the actual launch is, Jastro didn't say, but the team recently mentioned that they plan to open the metaverse to users by the end of 2023. So I guess they are still working with that schedule. If you found this really helpful, please leave a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, which helps me continue to increase the quality of my videos. However, speaking of Shiba Inu projects, it is now noted that the blockchain provider has given advice to the Shiba Inu community on how to build trading bots on Shibarium. The blockchain provider has begun to show its appreciation to the Shiba Inu community for its commitment and dedication to the Shiba Inu project. They then talked about how trading bots have started to become a thing since Binance released their trading bot software, and then decided to share a guide with the Shiba Inu community on how to build trading bots. Considering that Nodes has now received examples from people who have used their guides to build their trading bots, it seems pretty straightforward to use. So if you want to build your own trading bot for Shibarium, you should go check out the guide on the Now Notes website. For those who do not know the purpose of trading bots, they are supposed to help people make automatic trades based on certain metrics. So trading bots are a good idea for people who tend to forget to make timely trading decisions. Are you going to build your own trading bots? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Finally, despite all that Shiba has been through, it is still very much loved by the majority of the cryptocurrency market. It is currently the most searched cryptocurrency before Pepe, which has actually been very popular among investors recently. And I've already talked about how the whales are getting back into shape. In fact, Shib was the most traded cryptocurrency by the top 100 Ethereum whales in the last 24 hours. So it looks like the Shiba Inu is preparing for a bullish run. And if it did, then it would be about time. However, this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's spread this news out there.